New theory on the Big Bang or supernova or basically when I say this is a star when it expands before supernova and then that's the thing, and then it collapses on itself. And when it collapses on itself, there's a collision within itself, and that causes that celestial pattern around. And that's going at, I'm not too sure what the speed of that is, but we can just say that, okay, this is the center of the collision, and all of a sudden, and then all of a sudden, by the time it gets to a certain point, the black hole that was created by the supernova is strong enough to bring all this back together to the singularity. And at the same time, they say that all information is contained on the outside of a black hole. Well, duh. That's because everything is spaghettified, and everything is digitalized. We live in a digital universe. I'm not really, Okay, we have this ball, and pretend on each tip, M-A-T-T, and well, technically, this is 3 dimensions, even though we only see in 2 dimensions. But pretend that this is 1 dimension, this is the surface of the black hole, this is the black hole right here. And well, that's the thing. And we see, even though all these things, and this is a crude example, even though all these things are going to one point, there's still space in between. And one point. Boom. Remember? 1 point. Boom. Then it expands. And see, what's so great about this is that this is 1 point stretched out over time. String theory. See, 1 point is able to do crazy amounts of things. And that's the thing, it's not just a linear string, it's a coiled string. It really is. And people wonder, well, what was before space-time? My theory is that you had one piece of space traveling through time, or traveling through whatever, one universe, and in the same universe there's a particle of time, and somehow they collided and created this universe. I don't know why it's not linking together. called space-time. And see what's so great about this is that this is almost like a torus field. And if only I could get it to be, and this is like totally enclosed, it'd be an infinite universe. But this is a prime example of string theory and why I have it solved. But yeah, and so that's my theory, is that when the supernova happens, yeah, everything expands out, but it takes time for the black hole to generate. It doesn't just accelerate instantly. I'm certain that it has energy at that point in time, and not all of it. So yeah, that's the thing. And then because all this stuff never leaves the event horizon. Never does. And so it goes back. And being that everything is going into one point, that's why there's infinite collisions. And I believe that's what they call Hawkins radiation. It is because everything is, well, we pierce the vacuum of our space, and that's the thing, our vacuum is full because things are radiated within the side of it, and so our vacuum is filling up another vacuum, or our vacuum is filling up an empty vacuum. Alright, I'm out of here.